bisschen lauter haben? Komm mal einen Schritt nach vorne für die Artists. Wir haben hier als erstes einmal den Bmixx. Einmal Lärm für Bmixx. Das ist kein Lärm. Nein. Ich habe schon Lärm gehört. Ich mache Lärm. Das, was ich am liebsten mache, ist Lärm. Ich habe schon viel Lärm gehört. Ich will einmal Lärm hören für Bmixx. Es war etwas besser. Es wäre noch besser, wenn ihr einen Schritt nach vorne kommt. Einen Schritt, 2, 3, das ist ja dann auch egal. Wenn man den ersten Schritt gegangen ist, fällt der zweite schon gar nicht mehr so schwer. Dann kommt mal bitte einmal nach ganz vorne und macht so viel Lärm wie geht. Ich habe irgendwie Lust, dass das hier richtig laut vorne auf der Bühne ist. Ich würde mich voll ungerne hören. Macht mal bitte einmal Lärm für Bmixx. Jo, mit einem Mic ausgehen. Wir haben ja Ersatzmics. Ein Hoch auf das Ersatzmic. Ich gebe dir das Mic. I pass it to you. Bmixx. Have fun.
Thanks, man. What's up, party people? I go by the name of Bmixx KE official, all the way from Kenya, and it's a pleasure to be here. And we're gonna be doing something live with you. We're gonna be doing some live performances on Fruits Beats right here. So I hope you guys are ready for this. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, my man, let's get it. I need you to hear you screaming right about now. Now everybody fucking with the wrong people. Someone jump along, some that I'm watching sleeping. Someone get you up and then I'm telling you for breathing. Someone get you up and then I'm telling you for breathing. Really you will see that you're looking with the beat. But lately I've been bringing like I'm getting melodies. It's getting kind of daily now I'm trying to bitches. I've been tossing, I've been turning like I stick up on the game and you don't pick up on a beat. What you want, what you want, it's on you. Even if the demons I can see the figures on you. But with the album, but the time I'm just getting on loose. I've been really holding back, but you know that you know. I'm slowly getting out of such a freedom to the way that was like having going down and that's the music way. When I pick up, I'm just feeling like it's some music day. And I'm dancing on my touch and left for the amazing. You probably think I'm saying that, you're saying it, but I'm never with the money that I'm going to play it again. I'm never talking about it, but I think it's way too late. Only fucking problem, not the one that you know what. When I'm fucking on the road, let me know what to do. I'm never than the people that I'm better than the play. Put up in the just getting a lot of you, but at the beginning, doesn't matter because the devil's gonna escape. Keep on talking, walking to Ricky, talking my door. Of course, it's in my phone, it's in my bitch, but it's a job. Thinking that nigga, my boss, and I'm joke, I don't think we never see the one that's in the book. But we go, let me pull, all these rappers from the side, we get the joke. Then I come on, rap, my shit, I'm in the beat up on the top. Now they're getting shaky fingers when they're turning. Woo! Thank you, man. Once again, I go by the name of Bmixx KE. Woo! And I have a very simple introduction. When I say Bmixx Nation, you say what I want. Bmixx Nation. Bmixx Nation.
What a one!
Are you ready? Woo! This next song is for the dream chasers. How many have crazy dreams? Dreams that wake you up in the middle of the night and tell you, yo, bro, Sees. You can't be sleeping, man. You know those kind of dreams that you have as a creative that just gets you up, you're restless. It tells you, man, you have to be somewhere, there's somewhere you gotta be. So get up and do what you gotta do. You know those kind of dreams? This one is for you, man. Promise. Okay. When I want Bmixx, chasing, cause that is the seat. Practically no one make me out and never get mixed. See, I only got two options and they both were the weak. And we get rocked up, but there was no option to quit. Yeah, now rocking, and almost no but then you thinking it's the same and not it really don't matter. I can prove a lot of shit, that's it really don't matter. When it comes to chasing creep, that it really does matter. See, my concept is unstoppable, like I'm thinking it's stoppable. Gonna make the practical, become friends with practical, like I never let it. I'm giving a look in your way, to see my natural work in his life. Living in people, living one day. Talk about what I'm one in the village, so they get the killing, but don't talk about I'm in the sex. You can't imagine what you get, I'm much of a can I relate. No one can fight, you want for me, none of the lead, none of the style. To this gang, my private combined, I'm not gonna let this forget every night. To this gang, one for the 10, then what you know, what's up with every hate. You get an issue that sex in my voice, no one too hard, I'm emotional and voice. Look at my villain, I'm always for winning and quitting, and never been much of a cat. All to your seat, what did it be, becomes another mission. Now my shot, never said one melody. Oh, that's when I see Galeo. Thinking that's when you beat me, Tati. Oh, that's when I see Galeo. Una cesta na nani nani. Kikwa biki mazishi yao. Nina tam when you beat me, Tati. Oh, that's when I see Galeo. I want to try something simple with you guys. I'm gonna sing something to you. You sing it back to me, okay? Let's have fun. God on the low, God on the low, God on the low, God on the low, sing. God. Na nimecheza mamistaki kichwani ni kama Mungu utadhani mimi ngali hewani waje washuku usidhani ni yutani nikija nipige lift nitoke tu mitaani ni kama mindo the top these are the people that step in the city I wanna just sing another my dreams that I'm gonna be so like a beat I think I'm back on your feet coming in we gonna compete this is the truth of the next to see the person that puts again nothing but me I wanna just sing another my dreams I'm only too much on my shoulder to better get show you but then you can back up and work now for the devil like a sign you still don't know me but I've been working on myself alone I'm like you anybody thinking with the same welcome talk up you the tingle in my spine want this thing to be mine I'm not saying I'm conceited I just wanna hold the line get the ground head bumping that's what I'm on my phone when they jumping to the bus and dropping off to the one got the time on the line I don't like to feel a blood in my heart and running down must believe that I will know get the shot on the run on repeat until I die you will probably think I'm messing with your head but I'm the damn that's a wine probably do this for the jump around the mini bus you probably do this for the club I've been doing just the things you probably thinking I cannot step up in the scene and then I rack it up and I cause I'm the God on the low. How you feeling guys? You feeling good? Now this next track, it's a very special one. I can't do it by myself. Just a bit, I need you guys to help me, okay? So this song, it's for the Geminis. You don't have to be a Gemini to enjoy it though. As long as you got a vibe, you can pop. This is for you. So it goes like this, eh? This, that, Gemini flow. That's the only thing you gotta sing to me, okay? Let's try this. This, that, Gemini flow.
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 So every time I point the mic to you guys, you take it, okay? Are you ready? Let's see if you got it. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Gemini flow.
When I'm on the mic, just give me 54 and show up like this.
Right, this is where it goes.
The beat is so bananas, but we keep up on the flow, man.
Gemini flow.
Go to where you listen, but you miss it when it's written. Go and tell the business that this nigga really scripted. Also tell the niggas that this nigga is the richest man.
That Gemini flow.
In fact, you see by now, and you should know that I'm the coach. Got the mic to shine like every line we made a vote. Simple how I say, but all the balls and great at that. And lately I've been on top, baby. More than a rise, now I'm really up there, baby. I've been taking over mini, about to blast now, baby. Motherfucker, step back, don't get caught now, baby. Roll on, baby. I should go and roll out, baby. When the king about to come, we going all out crazy. You should go and check the numbers, see that dropped already. And these are really good shit, and these are yes, now, baby.
Gemini flow.
When I'm on the mic, just give me 54 and show up like
This, right, this is where it goes.
the beat is so bananas, but we ain't up on the floor, man.
This, that Gemini flows.
Doubles out in mind, but the vision stay cold, man.
This, that Gemini flows.
Do as I can take it, but I always stay cold. I'm a problem, yet they know that. Vision 2020, man, my focus never go back. Left and right brain, I've been snapping like it's Kodak. Only way is forward, I ain't stopping where my road at. Who's up on the gas, I ain't stopping, I just go fast. I know vision like, got me shining like a gold black. Working on my young man, I didn't need a roadmap. I just bust the process and below, I had to hold that. Now it's big moves, big stepping on my own lane. Running on the track, no we playing on my own game. Step on the boy, but I always keep that real set. Never been dependent on the rest of the keys, yeah. Giving bitch like keys, yeah. This is not some please, yeah. Giving bitch like keys, yeah. Put that bitch on replay. And it really funny how this boy always use it. See that on the phone, best believe that I build it. Nigga, that's the
This, that Gemini flow.
when I'm on the mic, just give me 54 and show up like
This, right, this is where it goes.
the beat is so bananas, but we ain't up on the floor, man.
This, that Gemini flow.
Double sounded mind, but the vision stay cold, man.
This, that Gemini flow.
Do what I can take it, but I always stay cold. Once again, I go by the name of Bmixx KE official, and you guys are amazing. That has been my time, thank you. And before I go, you remember I have a very simple introduction and ending. When I say Bmixx Nation, you say what I want. Bmixx Nation. Bmixx Nation. Thank you.
Kann ich noch mal ein ja hören? Nein. Komm mal einen Schritt näher, nur einen Schritt näher, einen kleinen Schritt. Kann ich mal ein ja hören? Oh, okay. Okay, der nächste